Everyone gets a little curious and a little bit of FOMO when there's a special class that we didn't all get to attend. Let's take a sneak peek into the Artful brush, crafting with brush lettering, which just happened last month. Was it as exciting as it promised to be? This highly anticipated class was taught by the one and only Mama Lhey. Lhey, an amazing lettering artist who was kind enough to share her skills with the rest of us. This was her second class with Altenew. After a wildly successful first class, crafters pushed for another one, and we obliged with this wonderful part 2. During the class, students learned new techniques, experimenting with different styles, and explored the limitless possibilities of brush lettering. As Mama Lhey reminded us, the key to mastering this art form is consistent practice and lots of fun, which we sure had. We are so proud of all of the amazing artwork our students created in the class. Everyone's dedication and creativity truly shone through.
For this part of coloring, we're going to do a wet on wet first. Now, I love to do the wet on wet. I'm using the cold press watercolor paper in here. I love using wet on wet because it's more natural, and also at the same time, I feel like you don't use so much pigment. Because if you do a wet on dry, I'm just going to grab some samples in here. So this is a dry, and I'm going to pick up some wet ink, okay? And we're going to just show the difference. Now, it might be a difference because this one is a mixed media paper. But what I do not like is sometimes it does stain if you don't work fast. And I'm going to show you this example perfectly. So this is a wet on dry. So see how it did stain a little bit. Now maybe it is a paper, but even when I'm using a watercolor, sometimes I notice that it does that. So this time we're going to do a wet on wet, which means we're going to use some clean water, and then we're going to wet the area that we want to color in. We're going to start with the face, but we're just going to apply clean water in here. Here we go. And I'm going to work in small portion in here. So start with that. Now with that being wet, I'm going to pick up some of the inks in here. And then we're going to drop in. I want my contrast or the darkest area of the face to be at the bottom. The neck area. And see how the water or the ink is just absorbing and following the direction where we've applied that water. And so it's not going to leave us any mark. Just like that, we're just going to spread it all around.
Let's take Mama Lhey's advice and keep practicing and having fun. If you missed this class, don't worry, we have more upcoming Altenew Academy classes coming soon that you won't want to miss. Click on the link in the description to find out what's next in our amazing journey to learn more and become amazing artists together.
Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.